Our 76-inch 3-door commercial refrigerator merchandiser cooler. First off, the overall dimensions. Length will be a total of 75.5 inches. The depth, we're looking at least 26.25 inches. So just cut out this part. And the overall height with wheels, we have a total of 76.5 inches. Without the wheels, we have at least 75.5 inches. From the bottom are your two separate switches, power and for light, and the Corel controller for temperature adjustment. Coming inside for each, we have a total of 8 adjustable shelves. So 4 on each row for the right side and 4 on each row for the left side. Dimensions for each shelf, we have a total of 14.5 inches in depth. Overall length, we have a total of 71.5 inches in length. And for each individual shelf, total of 35.5 inches wide. Dimensions for the interior, the depth, we have 19 inches from the back to the front. And the height, we have a total of 49 inches. That's from the bottom to the ceiling of the refrigerator. Located on the back of the refrigerator, we have our standard 110-120 connection plug. So 110-120 voltage, standard connection. Our 76-inch commercial refrigerator merchandiser cooler. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.